Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x square root of x multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x and plus square root of x is equals to 10, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first you see that this square root of x is multiplied by 3 times, and we will be write it as square root of x and its whole cubed, plus we write this term as square root of x is equals to 10. And further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and now we convert this radical equation into the cubic form. So for this we take here a is equals to square root of x. So when we do this substitution, our above equation is written as in this form. So we have this will becomes a cubed plus a is equals to 10. And further in the next step here we need to do some simplifications into the right hand side. So in the right hand side we have this is 10, and we write this 10 as 8 plus 2. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, so here we write the prime factors of 8, and we know about that the prime factors of 8 are 2 cubed and plus 2. And now we move both of the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and we make the pair of cubic term with cubic term. So this is a cubed, and here this is plus 2 cubed. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes minus 2 cubed, and this is our plus a, and this plus 2 becomes minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we need more simplification, and here we use the nice cubic formula to solve the first factor. And here we apply this formula. If we have x cubed minus y cubed is equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. According to this rule, we write this term as in this form. So this is a cubed minus 2 cubed, and it will be written as a minus 2 times of this is x square. Here our x is a square plus a into 2, and plus this is y square, and y is 2 square, and plus this is we have a minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we need to take common a minus 2, and when we take common a minus 2 we get the remaining values are, here we get this is a square plus 2a plus this 2 square becomes 4, and when we take common a minus 2 we get here plus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as a minus 2 times of a square plus 2a plus this is 4 plus 1 becomes 5, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step here we need more simplifications, and we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a minus 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we write a square plus 2a plus 5 is equals to 0. And now from first case we easily get the value of a is equals to plus 2. And now here we move backward, and you see here in the start of the problem we take our a is equals to square root of x. So we back substitute this value of a, and this equation is written as square root of x is equals to 2. So here we need to squaring on both of the sides for the values of x. So this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here our x is equals to this 2 square becomes here 4. So this is the first value of x which we get here in this question. And now here in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. In order to solve this we use the quadratic formula. So for this first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and capital C equals to 5. And we state the quadratic formula as a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we substitute the values of a, b and c, and when we substitute all the roots of this equation, it will be written as this is minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. B is 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 5, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we have a is equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square becomes 4 minus this is 4 multiplied by 5, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now here in the next step we have our a is equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of, here we need to take common 4 inside the terms, and when we take common 4 we get the remaining values are 1 minus 5, and it is divided by 2. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as a is equals to minus 2 plus minus, here we know that square root of 4 becomes 2 into square root of 1 minus 5 becomes minus 4, and it is divided by 2. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as so from here we have a equals to, here we need to break this fraction, and it will becomes minus 2 divided by 2 plus minus this is 2 times, here we again break this square root sign and we apply square root negative term and 4 in this way. So this is square root of 4 into square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 2. So you see here this 2 and this 2 are gone, this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get here our a is equals to minus 1 plus minus, here we know that this is square root of 4 and square root of 4 becomes 2, and we know about that square root of minus 1 is equals to iota. So here we again move backward and we substitute the value of a here. We know that the value of a is square root of x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 2 iota. So here for the values of x we need to take squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring it will be written as this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here the value of x is equals to minus 1 plus minus 2 iota and its whole square. These are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and its third root is x is equals to 4. So these are the final three roots of the given equation which we get here, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.